Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to all of you, especially to our Dr. Faiza. Okay, so today we are from Group 2 going to present about the assignment 1. The title is about the drivers, challenge, and opportunities that can we gain from the smart manufacturing. Okay, so before we proceed with the some explanation, why not let me introduce ourselves first. My name is Muhammad Danial Syazani bin Muhammad Syamsulbahrin, and my matrix number is 192340.
My name is Gwyth Kawuondo. My metric number is 19146.
My name is Muhammad Amir Mustaqim bin Nazar. My metric number is 193249.
Hi, my name is Nurul dan Darayani binti Abdul Zaki. My matrix number is 193846.
Hello, my name is Hakim bin Dzulkarnain and my metric number is 192396.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Zahfiq bin Mohamad Zaihan and my matrix number is 192006.
Thank you. So what is smart manufacturing? It's the use of real-time data and technology when, where, and in the forms that are needed by people and machines. In other words, smart manufacturing are systems that are fully integrated collaborative manufacturing systems that respond in real time to meet changing demands and conditions in the factory, in the supply network, and in customer needs. Smart manufacturing integrates data and information from multiple open and vendor applications and products that can be composed to form new solutions. So next we'll be moving on to next slide. Next slide, please. Okay, so we've been moving on to the company background. The founder of the company is Tansri Limwi Chai. Top Glove has 47 factories across Asia with 750 production lines and 21,000 workers working in the company. So it exports its products to 195 countries. That's most of the countries in the world, basically, and has a production capacity of 90 billion gloves every year. And as of the year of 2020, Top Glove has made a revenue of up to 2.4 billion ringgit. And next, so some of the products that Top Glove produces include surgical gloves, basically gloves, a variety of gloves, masks, condoms, dental care products, and home care products too. Yes, before that, I would like to talk about the objectives of this presentation. So we are to understand what is smart manufacturing, identify and contact a manufacturing company to conduct a survey, determine the type of manufacturing system that they use, and analyze the survey that involves drivers, challenges, and opportunities of smart manufacturing.
So now I will continue about the type of manufacturing system. Before that, manufacturing system can be defined as a combination of all operations that involve input, transformation, and also output. All those three items are interrelated. Why? Because the input consists of the man, which is the manpower, which is the staff, the worker, who are important to ensure that this product can be produced and sold to the customers. And there's like other input like materials, like latex, machineries, and drawings. The next about the transformation that involve the operation, material handling, and procurement, which is the process on how the product will be from the start until the end of the product to the supplier. And then the output, we have the final good and service to the customers, suppliers, and also other people that buy our product. Okay, so Top Glove is practicing a continuous manufacturing system. Basically, there are three types of manufacturing system, which is the batch system, continuous, and also a project system. But Top Glove are currently using the continuous manufacturing system, especially in the glove production. Why? Because As you can see there, it involves the machinery, output, labor, and material handling. As you know that Toglev have a higher revenue, about a billion ringgit. So of course, the investment in inventory cost is higher. Why? Because Toglev need to buy the modern machinery and need to hire more experienced personnel. Because we need to hire the experienced personnel, more money need to spend on. Because we need some specialized person that can handle um, those machinery, and also carry some research on increasing the productivity and efficiency of the production system. Of course, Toglev doesn't give the machinery towards the worker who doesn't have any idea or any special skill to handle those high cost of machine, high cost of machine. So that we need expertise to handle the item, right? Besides, the continuous manufacturing system also have a specific and it has the same setup. For instance, in one factory, like my previous experience in Toglev, in one factory there are 16 lines, 16 production lines. They have the same machinery used, like starting from here until the end of the product. All right, the same layout. Okay, so this is the process flow of the production process in the Toglev, where we start from the formal cleaning, where we clean the what we call the mold of the glove, and then we have some of the compounding material like coagulant, latex, leaching, and also some other compounding that are important to ensure that the glove production is on the great quality. I think that's all from my part for the type of the manufacturing system. Next, I will pass to my friend, my handsome friend, Amir Mustaqim, to continue about the methodology. Thank you from me.
Okay, thank you, Daniel. So I will proceed with methodology. Next slide. All right. For this assignment, the first thing that we do is make some research about manufacturing companies and try to find some of the manufacturing company in Malaysia. So our members had suggested some of the companies such as Casio Malaysia Sdn Bhd, Canon Marketing Sdn Bhd, Toshiba Transmission and Distribution System Asia Sdn Bhd, and Top Glove Sdn Bhd. Based on the discussion among group members, we agreed to choose Top Glove Sdn Bhd. It is due to one of our member group having conducted industrial training at the company last semester. So it is easy for us to contact that company. After that, we contact that company. We told them that we had an assignment to be done and it need the company's help. Then the company agreed to help us. Next, we started proceed with the survey form. We discussed what question that need to be included in the survey form. Then we finalized the survey form and it was ready to distribute to the workers of that company. We started distributing that survey form and waiting for the reply within 2 weeks. Then after about 2 weeks, we got the reply regarding our survey form. We successfully got 23 respondents. Then we start to make an analysis of the reply form. Next, we conducted a meeting to discuss what item need to be included in the report. In the meeting also, we assign some tasks for each member that need to be done. Each member need to complete their tasks in about 1.5 weeks. After that, each member send their part to the one member of our group, which is person in charge of compiling all elements of the report. Then we do the slide presentation for this assignment. After that, we submit this assignment to the lecturer. Alright, I think that's all. I will pass to Dayana for result and analysis.
Hi, I'm going to explain about the result and analysis. So next slides. So for the introduction, the questionnaire, the total questionnaire was the 21 questions. The total respondents is 23 people, and the targeted company, which is Top Glove. The Top Glove is the top manufacturer company that produce the mask, glove, condoms, and battle dams. So the total 23 respondents is job is trainee, engineer production, researcher, assistant manager, clerk, and normal staff. So the average age for the survey, for the responses to the survey, is around 22 and to 29 years old. So as the industry 4.0 must be exposed to the young generation, as they will improve the technology and the manufacturing and the manufacturing industries. So for the section, I will pass to the Lolok to continue.
Okay, thank you, Dayana. So actually, we have three components that need to be analyzed in the manufacturing companies of which is Top Glove. There are three components which are drivers, challenge, and opportunity. So for section A is drivers. Next. Next slide. Okay. The Top Gloves. For overall, the Top Glove can be classified as Industry 4.0 because it can be observed that the machine that operates in the Top Glove company is smart. So most of the smart machine that are being used are auto stacking machine, smart weighing glove, Johnson filler, robotic arm, AI machine, and AI VC. Most of the machine is semi-automated, which semi-automated is combined human and machine operations with all human and machine steps usually coordinated by a single computer controller. And high demand of the production and well-known company makes the Top Glove can be classified as Industry 4.0. So next slide. And we move on to the challenges. The most common challenges that affect the respondents' company is the capital investment. And nearly half of the respondents believe the planning and strategy phase is the most difficult, followed by maintenance of system, testing phase, and execution of plans. And half of the total respondents, with 52.2%, are expecting the company will reach the IR 4.0 standards between 5 to 10 years. And the respondents have suggested some ideas of the hidden obstacles faced when implementing smart system. And the most common problem is the cost. Next, we move to the opportunities. So Industry 4.0 surely has a positive opportunity for the company and community, as it was being agreed with 83.3% of the respondent. The type of opportunity that will give benefit to the company, it can improve efficiency and reduce the cost on the raw materials and energy, increase the productivity of the product supplies, and provide digitization and automation to make the machine intelligence, interactive, and easy to use. So type of opportunity that will give benefit to the company, to the community based on the survey is creating new opportunity and job categories that never existed before. A user-friendly system for customers or suppliers that request an order, and lastly, provide affordable quality products and services. And I will pass back to Dayana to explain, to discuss about our analysis. Thank you.
For the discussion, next slide. So based on the survey that conducted, the top glove manufacturer is actually ready for the industry 4.0. Even though there is some obstacle and challenges that Luqman have explained before. Furthermore, based on the survey analysis, it can be shown that the manufacturer already implemented the element industry 4.0 in their operation towards the fully automated machine with the involvement of the IoT, regardless of IoT. So regardless the implementation of the industry 4.0 technology, the opportunities still widely for the workers to operate the machine and in the assembly line. So the industry 4.0 does bring the positive effect to the company, regardless the challenges faced. So I will pass to the Zahfiq for the conclusion.
All right, so now I will conclude the entire presentation. So this assignment has been conducted to assess the understanding of production workers regarding the drivers, opportunities, and challenges toward Industrial Revolution 4.0. And Top Glove, the current leading manufacturer of gloves around the globe, was chosen as the subject company. So based on analysis of the survey, some of the key points is that the younger generations in a company seems to possess a remarkable potential to accommodate the upcoming IR 4.0, as these people have the capability and time to improve their technologies and systems in this industry. So IR 4.0 will provide constructive solutions to many of the problems that are currently occurring in the production lines, such as the excessive amount of manual labor required in operations and the elongated production time. Thus, this fact has become one of the drivers for a company to move to IR 4.0, as it is able to accelerate the manufacturing processes while minimizing the use of manpower. Consequently, IR 4.0 will generate challenges, primarily in terms of the cost of implementation and of new and advanced technology. So the challenges also include the difficulty for workers to become accustomed to the new system. Even so, IR 4.0 will present countless opportunities for a manufacturing company, as it enhances productivity level while reducing the cost for raw materials and energy usage. The communities will also benefit from IR 4.0, for it will create many job openings that never existed before. Therefore, to conclude, the Industry Revolution 4.0 or IR 4.0 has begun to take place all around the world, especially in the manufacturing sectors. So the three important elements that would guide manufacturers to adapt IR 4.0 are their drivers, opportunities, and challenges. So as a future engineer, these topics should be well concerned in order to prepare for the advancement of IR 4.0 may bring. So that is the end of our presentation.